The National Weather Service in Charleston, West Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for west central Nicholas County in southeastern West Virginia, south central Clay County in north central West Virginia, northwestern Fayette County in southeastern West Virginia, until 11:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 10:13 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Smithers, or 12 miles northwest of Fayetteville, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Montgomery, Smithers, Gully Bridge, Powelton, Bentry, Bickmore, Dremet, Swiss, and Indore.